Bareback quick release saddlebag system. First, remove the saddlebag. Take off that front bolt, and you got to open up the saddlebags. And there's 3 more bolts on the inside. They're actually Phillips screws. You want to take those 3 off as well. Now when you get those 3 screws out, just want to remove the bag. Depending on which motorcycle you have, you may have to remove the turn signals. All right, and then you got that metal plate that's back there that holds the bag on to the motorcycle. So you want to go ahead and you got to take those 2 screws out right there that attach to the strut. Okay, so we got that off now. All right, now you want to go ahead and take those fasteners off there, and you're going to leave that one on. Now you're going to take your package. Depending on which motorcycle you have, we make all different ones for Softails and Dynas. Okay. Now if you have quick release sissy bar, you're going to need the long ones. They're 7/8 of an inch longer. And these are all made in a match set. So you just want to make sure that you put 2 on one side and 2 on the other side, and you don't mix up the set, because there's only a thousandths play, and there's 6 different dimensions on the inside of that. So it's very critical that they snap right in there, just like that. And then there's a locking collar that goes on that. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take those, and that's if you have detachable sissy bar. Those are the barrels that come from Harley-Davidson. You're going to use those, and that's the male end. It goes right through there, and there's a bolt on the other side. Okay, on the early models they're like this. You have to, it's really hard to get your fingers up inside there, but it's doable. On the later models, there's a nut plate in the back that you don't have to do that. But on these early bikes you do. And just secure those, just like he's doing right there. All right, nice and tight. All right, you don't want to forget Loctite. Put a Loctite on everything all the time. There's that rubber bumper that you're going to put on there, and then you're going to put a little eyelet in there so you can put that cotter key in, and that's how you remove them from the bottom. Okay, see that little hole right there? There's a cotter key that goes in there. Okay, now you're going to put the female part onto that backing plate, and you want to make sure that it's looking downward when you're looking up at it. Okay, he's going to get those in there right now. All right, you see how they look downward? That's the way that you want them, both facing straight down. And you've got the locking collars on there, so they won't fall off, and it'd be real hard for somebody to steal those. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to pull that locking collar back. Okay, and pull that one back as well. All right, and then that fits right onto the male part. All right, and then you push that through and put the little cotter pin on the end. Remember, Loctite on everything. Okay, and then you redo that for the other side. Then you put the saddlebag, and you mount the saddlebag back on with those 3 screws, just like he's doing right there. Okay, he's got them all on. That's our eliminator tail light. All right. right, and that's the docking hardware that goes on that. And so you do the same with the other side. All right, looks good. And that's it. Check our other products, cyclevisions.com.